How to give Robux to friends on Roblox is the topic of today's video. If you're new to the channel, please go down below right now and hit that subscribe button. And while you're doing it, please go and leave a like as well. I just appreciate it a ton and it helps get this video to more people. So as I just said, I'm showing you how to send Robux to your friends or just anyone on Roblox. It's quite complicated, so that's why I thought I'd make a tutorial about it. But with the help of this video, hopefully you can actually go and do it. Now let's go jump into Roblox. As you can see, I'm on my profile. I've currently got 550 Robux, and I refresh that just to prove it to you. As you can see, 550 Robux. Now to do this, the best way I've personally found of doing it is by using a group. And do not worry, it's really simple. I will show you exactly how. But I know a lot of people actually want to give Robux just so their friends can buy clothes and maybe game passes and in-game stuff. It's useful to have Robux and maybe it's just a gift, So yeah, that's what we're showing you in today's video. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is come to groups. Now once you come here, you need to make sure you've got a group. So you need to basically be the owner of the group. So you may need to create a group. So to do that, you click create group and you can go and name it. You make a description, upload an emblem, pay 100 Robux, and then you have a group, but you remain owner of the group. This isn't like a one-off thing. So then once you've got your group, you need to come to the store section. So once you're in the store, as you can see, there's nothing currently for sale. I'll be showing you what to do next. So essentially here, to give Robux out and send Robux, we do it via the group. It's the only way on Roblox. So to do this, we're going to have to get Robux into the group. Now to get Robux into the group, we have to sell stuff from the group. So we're going to go and sell something on the group and then we can go and give that Robux out. So as you can see, all I want to do is click create or manage group items so we can go and sell something. And then we've got this option here which says create a shirt. So if you're going to need to create a shirt, it can be something really plain, like I just did one on an all blue shirt. Basically, I'll show you that now. You need to download the template by clicking here, and then you want to right click on it and click save image as, and then go and use a photo editing program that can be online like Pixlr or Photopea or Photoshop on your computer. So I've got my image, so I'm going to go and choose this now. As you can see, shirt upload, and hopefully it works. Boom, as you can see, successfully created. So we've now uploaded this, and once you upload it, it's going to come down here. Then what you want to do is click on the little cog and click configure, and it's just loading. So then I'm going to name this so tutorial shirt, all one word, just like so. Maybe I'll do it in two. I'll split that up, and then I can just do this, so shirt for sale. Then you want to hit save so it remembers it all. Now the icon will load in a minute as well. That's just because I literally just did it and it's going to be moderated. Then you want to click on sales, and all you want to do is switch item for sale on, and then we'll select the price. So for this, let's do like 50 Robux, say, and we'll go and click save. Now Roblox do have a 30% tax. Just remember that. So we're going to be putting 50 Robux into the group, but we're only going to get 35 to be able to give out or spend. So then you want to click save, and now it's successfully updated the price. So all I want to do is click go to details, and the group is now available. Now it's in my inventory, but I'm just going to delete it by clicking delete from inventory and click yes. So now I have the option to go and buy it. So I'm going to go and click buy, and as you can see, would you like to buy this shirt, tutorial shirt, for 50 Robux? And I'm going to click buy now, and now it's successfully completed. So then if we come back to the group, Tuck tutorial group, and wait for that to load, and then all we need to do is click on the three dots up here and click configure group, and then we come to revenue summary. As you can see, 35 Robux is pending, so within a couple of days it's then going to be available in the balance. As you can see, group funds are 0, but this will finish pending hopefully in a couple of days. And then once that's come through to your group funds, you then need to go to revenue and go to payouts, and then all you need to do is go to one-time payout. And then you can go and select one-time payout, and you enter the user, how much Robux you want to give out, and you can send that Robux to that person. The only thing that needs to be sorted out is basically the user has to be within the group, but essentially all you need to do is make sure you've got some Robux available in your group, get your friend or the users to join the group, and then you can pay out just like that. But just remember, to get any Robux inside of the group, you have to sell something, and you will get a Roblox tax on that. But yeah, that is all of today's video. If you found it useful, subscribe down below, leave a like, and look forward to catch you in the next one. Have a very awesome day. Peace.